So good morning, YouTube. Today is Sunday. I believe it is the 25th today.
Yeah, 6 months till Christmas Day.
Yeah, 6 months till Christmas Day, the 25th. And as we woke up this morning to get ready to go to work, we kind of have an interesting situation. Let me show you what we got going on here. I know you can't see too much out of there.
Show 'em here.
But it's raining like crazy. Darla's going to take this and go outside and show you what's going on. It's been lightning and thundering and raining and getting yucky. Well, that guy's got a nice garden, doesn't it?
Boy, that thing really done it well.
That thing grows really fast. All the birds are all happy with the rain. But you can see, today's going to be a fun day. And
Sunday
we're going to have fun.
day.
Uh-oh. We're making English muffins for breakfast, huh?
Yes.
And Cage he wants to eat English muffins for breakfast, huh? Do you? Okay. All right. We'll check back with you in a little while. All right, here we go.
You're wet.
All right. Yeah. What I do every morning. Key here. Looking pretty nasty out here. Nice building over there they just set up. Ah, well that felt good. Just took a shower. Now I just took another shower. And here we go. We're in the store. And it's beeping. Alarm time. Ooh, lightning.
Disarmed. Ready to arm. Chime.
So now, a Roman candle display, snow cones, great big snow cones. All right, it's going to be hot today. Better get that going. Let's see here. Flip the switchers. Now we should come around. And here we are. We're in the light. Shut up. I don't know who came up with that firework. All right. So that's what this looked like. Hang on a second here. There we go. And now we're open. Yay! So I don't know how busy we're going to be this morning. It's supposed to stop raining here pretty quick in about an hour. And then it's supposed to get up to 91. So it's going to, whoa! I think I got that on video. It's going to be hot as heck and humid. And yesterday the air conditioning was having a hard time keeping up. Got two big units, but we have to leave this door open because if we don't, people think we're closed. I can't understand why. I usually park my truck right over there. Oh, there's thunder. See if we get another one of those. Been getting that all morning. I'll tell you, when you're close to a highway like this big highway right here, see all the cars going by. Man, when the trucks go over this bridge here, sometimes it makes a really loud noise depending on what they're hauling. Usually the flatbeds, man, if they got stuff on them, it's like bang, 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 bang. Yeah, a little building over there, 14,000 bucks. That's pretty cheap. I went over and talked to him about it. The only trouble is it's about 10 feet too short, or 15 feet too short for my motorhome to fit in. All right. Well, you get the idea, I guess. I gotta go get Cage, because he sits right there. Can you tell? That's his spot. He's got to go to work. I'll be back. So there's the Bosco right there. And he has a special job in the morning. You're in my chair, you know that, right? Do you know that? This is where I sit. You want this? Okay, ready? Here's what we do in the morning. Woo! Now let's see if he gives it to me. Okay, give it to me. No, you have to give it to me. You have to give it. Let go. Be good, doggy. What? What? Alright, give it to. Let go of it. Give it to me. I can't throw it if you don't let me have it. Everybody's seeing what a bully you are. Go get it. You're such a little bully. Give me the ball. Give it to me. Give it to me. Sit. Give me that ball. Oh, that's a bad. That's a bad dog. Okay, I'm done. No, give it to me. Yeah, see, he dropped it. I can tell by his bark. Okay, here we go. He brings it back real good. He just doesn't give it up real good. Give it to me. Come on, up here. Cage, give me the ball. Be a good boy. Thank you. That was pretty good that time. So this is our morning routine. This is how we get our day started. Him and I just sit here and play ball for about 20, 30 minutes, and then he goes over, gets in his bed. Bed's all set up for him to relax. He's got a big bowl of water. Okay, well, two things. It's dumping pretty hard right now. Got a guy standing over there in the rain. And another thing we have a lot of difficulties with. We have a bird in here. There he is. You can see him. See him up there on top? There he is. So we've had probably 4 or 5 birds come in here, and it always ends up being, I have to take them out with that dustpan and that broom because they try to escape through the window. It's knocks them out. And I pick them up, take them outside, and then they're usually about 10 minutes, they're okay again. I check on them, make sure they're good. We gave one water the other day. But anyway, and there's the bird dog. You can see what he does. Wait for something to eat. There's Darla.
Yeah.
She's working. She's like the dog. She works on her computer. He works on the ball. And me, I chase birds and get wet. Okay. Just trying to show you what a day is like here in this fireworks store. It's kind of interesting, huh?
Yeah, it's also, I mean, it's not very conducive to sales.
Yeah, with the weather. That guy, he's been standing out in the rain. I don't get it. He came in here yesterday, wanted a piece of cardboard and a marker pen. So Darla gave him a piece of cardboard and a marker pen, and he wrote, need a ride to Tennessee. She had to tell him how to spell it. And then he just spent all of his time walking back and forth on the other side of the street over here. I'm surprised he hasn't tried to come over here and hang out with us. But I don't know what he's doing. He don't have his cardboard anymore. Probably got soaking wet. Well, and just like this, there we are. Sunny and clear. And loud. There's the old motorhome sitting there, looking all nice and shiny. Sure is a busy road up there. Anyway, it looks like the storm is over till later on tonight. Nice and clear. Actually, I had a couple of customers so far, so. And let's see if the executive is still. Oh, there he is. What's going on? What are you doing? You just sitting here? You've been eating bugles, huh? You can tell. Been eating bugles and chips. That's why he likes to come over here and work. So once again, Saturday morning, and I would say it's raining. It's official. It just seems to rain here nonstop, continually almost. When it's not raining, it looks like it's getting ready to rain. It looks like that up there. A little bit of lightning thrown in. So anyway, did pretty good yesterday. Today's Saturday. We should really be busy today. It's a good thing because Cage is working. Are you working? I don't know who works harder, Cage or Darla. Already had a joyous customer this morning too. Oh man. 99.9% are just really super nice people, and they're friendly and they're fun to talk to, and you know, and even if, I don't really care if they buy a lot of stuff or not. I mean, it's just, you know, as long as people are nice, you know. Sold out. We had some 2 for $12 boxes of artillery shells, and we sold out on them. So still have some for $19.99, so that's a pretty good deal. But we've been selling out on some stuff. There's holes. Gonna be holes. Sold one of these last night, and 4 guys bought it. I'm sure they're gonna be busy. So this is how our day is starting. Hopefully we have a very good day today. But it is nice. It kind of cooled it off a little bit.
Yeah, and it cleaned the air because it's been full
Yeah.
of smoke.
Oh man, we've been dealing with a smoke thing. It's like being in Montana again.
Yeah.
Man, that was the worst though. Montana, you couldn't see those trees across the street there when we were there. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of short videos, just give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you, guys. Bye.